In late 2019, a mysterious virus emerged, one that would soon bring the entire world to a standstill. Streets emptied, borders closed, families separated, lives lost, economies shattered, fear and uncertainty swept across continents, and yet, one question refuses to go away. Was COVID-19 a freak accident of nature, or was it engineered in a lab? The world demands answers, but the truth remains shrouded in mystery. In this video we dive deep into the theory the world tried to silence. We'll examine the science, the evidence, and the secrets global leaders still won't reveal. The stakes are higher than ever. This isn't about fear, it's about facts. The truth matters, and it starts right now. In the earliest days of the outbreak, all eyes turned to a bustling wet market in Wuhan. These markets, crowded with live animals and fresh meat, have long been hotspots for disease transmission. Scientists quickly suggested that COVID-19 may have jumped from animals to humans right here, just as other deadly viruses have in the past. The theory was simple: the virus likely originated in bats, then found its way to people, possibly through another animal host. This idea, called zoonotic transmission, became the mainstream explanation, but as evidence trickled in, not everyone was convinced. So was the pandemic truly sparked by nature, or is there more to the story than meets the eye? As we trace the virus's path, the city of Wuhan remains at the center of a global mystery. Just a few miles from where the first cases appeared stands the Wuhan Institute of Virology. This is no ordinary lab. Here scientists study some of the world's most dangerous viruses, including coronaviruses. Its security is among the highest in China, but questions linger about what really happens behind those walls. For years the institute was respected for its research, but when COVID-19 emerged, all eyes turned to this facility. Was it possible that a virus could escape, even from a place designed to prevent disaster? The lab leak theory suggests that COVID-19 may have accidentally leaked from this very facility. At first the idea was dismissed as a wild conspiracy. But as evidence trickled out, the world began to reconsider. Scientists, journalists, and governments debated fiercely. Was it a cover-up, or just a tragic accident? The truth seemed to shift with every new headline. By 2021, even U.S. intelligence agencies called the lab leak theory plausible. What was once labeled a conspiracy had become a question the world could no longer ignore. Over the years, several red flags have kept the lab leak theory alive, despite official denials and attempts to downplay it. First, scientists point to a unique feature in the virus, the furin cleavage site. This rare genetic sequence, almost never seen in similar coronaviruses, makes COVID-19 far more infectious to humans. Second, multiple reports allege that researchers at the Wuhan Institute of Virology fell ill with COVID-like symptoms weeks before the outbreak was made public. Some experts say this could be the earliest sign of a lab-related incident. Third, as global scrutiny intensified, critical virus data vanished from Chinese databases. Key records were deleted, raising suspicions of a cover-up. And finally, whistleblowers and independent investigators claim that evidence was destroyed and witnesses silenced. Why erase records if there's nothing to hide? Most scientists agree. The genetic makeup of COVID-19 closely resembles viruses found in nature. The evidence points to a natural origin, but there's an important caveat. In some labs, researchers perform what's called gain-of-function experiments, deliberately altering viruses to study how they might become more infectious or deadly. Supporters say this research helps us prepare for future pandemics. Critics warn it risks creating new dangers, accidents, leaks, or even misuse. The debate is fierce, and the stakes are high. So, was COVID-19 genetically engineered, or did a modified virus escape by accident? Or is the truth still hidden, waiting to be uncovered? Around the world, people demanded answers. Whether COVID-19 began in nature or in a lab, one truth remains: the world deserves full transparency. Only with honesty can we move forward together. The pandemic changed everything. Millions of lives were lost, economies shattered, families separated. Yet so many questions remain unanswered. If we don't learn the truth, how can we protect the future? Demanding answers isn't just about the past, it's about saving lives tomorrow. We must never stop seeking the facts. The origins of COVID-19 remain shrouded in mystery. Was it a product of nature, or did it escape from a lab? These questions still echo around the world unanswered, but one thing is certain, seeking the truth matters. Only by asking tough questions can we move closer to real answers. If you value open inquiry and honest discussion, support our channel. Like, share, and subscribe for more investigations that challenge the status quo. We're here to explore the facts others won't. Stay curious, keep thinking, and never stop searching for the truth. Thanks for watching.